Generating a clash list with Orange Button could be enough to create a quote for your project. However, it is also possible to create extra output, making the result even more professional. First off, you can create floor plans based on the views that we've created in the model. It is even possible to export multiple views at the same time and combining them into a single file. After setting up, don't forget to save your settings for the next export. And then press Export to create the PDF file. The result is a nice looking floor plan containing all the Firestore positions. Because we numbered the components, they are also relatable to the clash list. Second up, we can also create an IFC file, meeting the open standard that a lot of clients demand. Just hit Export IFC and choose the user-defined property set that is part of the Orange Button library. This way, all of the unique Firestore properties can be added to the export file, making it as valuable as the clash list. Exporting can take some time based on the size of your project. There are a lot of free IFC viewers on the market, which makes it possible for the client to watch your activities in BIM and see that your quote is based on actual design data. They can even combine multiple BIM files themselves, creating a complete picture of the work that needs to be done. So as you can see, Orange Button BIM is capable of creating a complete package, empowering your company by using the information in BIM to your advantage.